Having a backup of your iPhone isn't just about convenience, it's about peace of mind. Imagine losing your phone or having it suddenly stop working. All those precious photos, important messages, and essential app data gone in an instant. Unless, of course, you have an iCloud backup. So what is an iCloud backup? iCloud backup essentially takes periodic snapshots of all your data on your iPhone. Think of it as a digital safety net. If your old iPhone is replaced, lost, or damaged, restoring everything to a new device is a breeze. How to check your iCloud backup status? You're probably wondering, is my iPhone even backed up? Let's find out. Go to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud. See that little dot next to iCloud backup? If it's green, you're good to go. Your iPhone has been successfully backed up. But if you see a gray or red dot, it means something's up. Your backup might be turned off, your device could be offline, or the last backup simply failed. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Want to know more? Tap iCloud Backup. See the date of your last backup. Adjust settings for your backups and view backups for other devices in your Apple ID. Tap on your phone within this screen to see details about the size of your backup and which apps are included. It's a great way to manage your storage. While iCloud usually handles backups automatically when your iPhone is locked, connected to power, and on Wi-Fi, sometimes you want to make sure it's done right away. Maybe you're about to get a new phone or you just took a ton of unforgettable photos. Simply tap Backup Now to trigger an immediate backup. And that's it. By taking these simple steps, you can ensure your iPhone is securely backed up to iCloud, safeguarding your data and giving you one less thing to worry about. Stop. Did you know that there are 6 iPhone settings you turn off right now? Check out this video to learn more.